All right, there we've got the opening bell on this Thursday morning. And
is that Jeffrey the giraffe?
No, it's not Jeffrey. It's a different giraffe.
That's faux Jeffrey?
It's, I don't know who that
Whatever that giraffe
is.
I wish it was in our studio because I'm all about the big giraffes. I love that. That is amazing.
I guess it's advertising week?
That's Jeffrey with a J.
Huh.
I guess so. Maybe it's the Jeffrey. I don't know. All right, as we take a look at what's going on with markets here this morning, and we're considering all of these earnings reports we've been talking about, and really we are seeing stocks sort of take their cue from individual companies and corporate earnings versus any macro narrative today. The Liz Truss resignation notwithstanding and the effect that's having on the UK, the focus here is really squarely on earnings. And we see the NASDAQ under pressure, probably at least in part because of Tesla, and the S&P 500 down about 0.1%. The Dow hanging on to gains, though, up about 0.25%. Brad, what are we seeing on the sector level?
Yeah, we're mixed here today to kick off today's trading activity. Energy, that's the leader. It's up by about 0.9% right now. You've also got technology that's in the green here, as well as some of the communication services. Technology up by about 0.5% for XLK. But one of the laggards that we're watching, consumer discretionary. My goodness, down by about 1.4%, outpacing some of the broader kind of declines here that we're seeing, at least of the split. It looks like you've got about 5 out of 11 S&P 500 sectors in negative territory, 6 out of 11 in positive territory. That continues to move around, of course, here. But if we, since you mentioned Tesla, take a look at some of the electric vehicles and components here, let's take a look at Tesla shares right now at the open, lower by about 7% here off of yesterday evening's earnings report here. Taking a look at some of the other auto manufacturers as well. And let me just get to this an equal weighting here as we can kind of lay out some of the other bigger names. Ford also down on the day. Of course, Ford, one of the other major electric vehicle ambitions out there with the production capacity that they're looking to bring online for that Ford Model E business. And then additionally, you think about GM. GM actually holding on to some of its gains on the day early out of the gate. It's up by about 0.25%. You can catch our full interview with GM CEO Mary Barra on the YahooFinance.com website as well. Julie?
All right, let's take a look at one more mover.
One more.
We're watching this more. Not just one more. We're going to cover lots more.